Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Sam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab, guys. All right, so listen, I was at Dollar Tree the other day, at one that's about 12 minutes away from my house. All of them are 12 minutes away from my house, but this isn't one that I frequent very often because it's near, stores that I don't typically go to. Anyways, so I went in there to get, I was looking for gardening. I was, looking to see if I could find a good sized planter in there to, put some plants outside in the front yard. And lo and behold, of course, I slid by the craft section and they have done a just a little minor upgrade on their crafting supplies. So they have this, there'll be a video that I'll show you guys after, but they have a new section with the Crafters Square brand craft supplies. So I was like, okay, what do they have that I don't already have? And well, they got quite a bit of stuff, but I had other stuff that I was coming in there for. So I just, spent $10 in there in the craft area. So, one of the things that I saw, and I'm sure that you guys have seen it, but they have some rub-on transfers, which is great because that means that you don't always need to have a stamp for everything. And to be honest with you, sometimes I get tired of some of my stamps because I don't use them as often. I need to make sure that I invest in stamps that have general sayings, although I think I probably get tired of those too. Anywho, I digress. So anyways, they had the rub-on transfers, and so I got these two. They have a couple of different fonts and sentiments, but these are the two that I grabbed. Then they have these, I think might already have a pack of these, I'm not sure. But look at let me show you the close-up on these. Look at all of these sentiments. So this would be awesome on a card or, in the background of something. And then this one, see how it has that, kind of has that aged look to it. You know what I mean? And then this one each letter has a different word, like amazing, adorable, caring, and cherished, individual, and interesting. Don't be laughing at how dry my hands are, okay? I'm a crafter, not a hand model. Right, folks? Anywho, so I got those. And I told you this was going to be real brief because I don't spend a lot of money on craft supplies. I try not to spend a lot of money on craft supplies, but from time to time I'll, splurge on something. Anyways, then they had these cute little paper clips, and I wanted to, I probably just will use the tassels on, the dangle for a couple of the journals that I'm sending out. And so I got 2 packs of those because you can rest assured the next time I go back, they won't have them. But this is the Jot brand, by the way. And they were not in the office supply section. It was in the craft section. Yeah. And I also picked up another. This is the 3-pack of the file folders. Is that the same size? Yeah, that's the same size. Of the button file bags, which I love these because this is what I keep my projects in. And I'm able to just, sometimes when I'm tired at the end of the night, when I spend maybe 2 or 3 hours crafting, I just want to shove all that crap into a bag and organize it on the next go around. And these are perfect for that. And they're quite durable. As thin as they are, they're very durable. And you get 3 of them in a pack for $1. Now, they also have a different one that has these sizes in it. It has 1 of these and 2 of these, I believe, in the pack. So keep on the lookout for those because, as you can see, this is for the these are the scraps that are going along with a journal that I have in progress. So, and that's just off to the side on its pile. So I got that. And then last but not least, I picked up these 2 cute little it's craft fabric, but these 2 little bolts of fabric. I got these. I was just looking through their selection, and I wanted to see if they had something that I could use for Josh a mask. And this will be good because it's thin enough for me to double up and still allow it to be breathable. So this one's the stars, and then this one is the cupcakes. Isn't that so cute? And they had some other patterns that the color goes along with this, which I may go back and get that because this would be cute as a wristlet. I could make myself a cute little wristlet, although I won't be able to use it that often because it's white. But anywho, I mean, I'm a grown woman. I should be able to wash it. Nevertheless. So that is the only things that I've picked up from the Dollar Tree because I wasn't in there to be shopping for craft supplies. I was in there getting gardening supplies. But I'm going to go back and see what else they're adding to there. And at the end of this video, at the end of this part of the video, I'm going to add the video from the store where you'll see what they have on the shelves, and hopefully you can find some of these items in a Dollar Tree near you. All right, now if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the crafty uploads and a few hauls sprinkled throughout. I don't do that many hauls because, well, I create, and I'm not a shopper. I'm a creative. Okay, I'd rather work with what I have and be inspired from that than to be out shopping. I can spend more time creating, you know what I mean? But for those who like to shop, grab a few for me, okay? Well, you ain't got to send it my way, but craft in my name, buy in my name, in the spirit of your sister crafter. Anywho. And those who are not new to the channel and who have been along for the ride, thank you so much for coming back. And drop a heart in the comment if you are new to the channel so that I can give you a shout out on the next video. All right? And until we're back here again on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.